Hey guys, welcome back to Tipharot. It's me Matt here, and today we're taking a dive into some of my older videos. Something you might have noticed is that I have some videos that get a few hundred views, and yet I have some videos that have had over 1 million views. And the amount of views those videos get isn't always correlated to the quality of the video. I have some terrible videos that did really well and got tons of views, and I have some really great videos that have been buried or haven't done quite as well. So I thought it would be fun today to go over some old videos that didn't get that many views but I think are worth watching, as well as maybe 1 or 2 older videos that did do okay but that are old now and that newer subscribers might not have seen. So today I'm going to share 9 of those videos. Video number 1 is my how to meditate video from back in December 2018. This is part of my complete free course on meditation that I'm putting out on my channel. Now, this is just one video of that course, and I really recommend that you check out the whole course, but if you're only going to watch one video, watch that one. In it, I teach you how to perform breath meditation, the most common and simple style of meditation, and this is something that you should be doing every day for self-improvement, but also if you're wanting to lucid dream, as it is really useful for that. So if you haven't watched that video already and you're not familiar with how to meditate, then go and check that out right now. Now, speaking of lucid dreaming in particular, one of the videos that did do pretty okay back when I released it was my video on dream control. This was released back in February 2017, and so I thought I would include it in the list even though it did fairly okay, because it is from quite a while back, and I know a lot of you guys have subscribed recently and probably haven't seen it yet. So if you've got lucid in your dreams and you're trying to figure out what to do next and how to actually do all those cool things like flying, changing location and stuff, this is the video that you want to watch. Now if you want to get a bit more advanced of dream control, then I highly recommend my lucid dreaming book, The Lucid Dream Book. More on that a bit later in the video. Video number 3 is about the placebo effect. This video was also released in 2017 in April, and this is one of my least viewed videos, and I actually think it's a really useful one, especially for those of you, again, who are trying to lucid dream. In this video, I talk about how the placebo effect is seriously underrated and how it can actually be a very powerful tool that we can use to our advantage. I even talk about how you can actually use it to help you with lucid dreaming, so lucid dreamers, definitely check that one out as well. And once again, this is actually something that I cover in even more depth in my lucid dreaming book. Video number 4 is about setting lucid dreaming goals and how this can be really important and amplify your results. This video was released in August 2017, so again it's quite old now, but I think it is a great video that I still think everyone who's trying to lucid dream should go back and watch. And it's this kind of video that's the reason that you might see me remaking videos every so often, because some of these things are really important lessons that I think everyone should learn, and sometimes they just get buried amongst my video catalogue. Video number 5. Do you find yourself struggling because you get lucid and then you wake up immediately? Well, you're not alone there, because I had that problem for years, and I've tried to help you guys solve that as best as I can. So in video number 5, I talk about how you can have longer lucid dreams. This is actually a fairly recent video. This came out in September of this year, but I thought I would include it because it didn't get a massive amount of views, and I'm sure there are some of you that haven't seen it because I still get regular questions about what you should do if your dreams aren't lasting long enough. So if you find yourself asking that, head on over and check out that video now. Video number 6 is all about sleep. How to sleep better in particular. So sleep is another thing that I've often struggled with over the years. I developed insomnia and had problems falling asleep and staying asleep, and this is something that I've dealt with over the years, and so I've tried a lot of things to try and help me sleep better, and in this video I share some of those things that have actually worked for me. Now even if you think that you get good sleep, I still recommend checking this out, because it's always good to ensure that you're getting the best sleep possible, since after all, sleep is one of those essential things that defines how you feel throughout the day. In fact, for fairly obvious reasons, it is the first thing that I mention in video number 7, how to feel less tired during the day. Again, this was released in September this year, but again, this was one of the ones that didn't get too many views and that I think everyone should check out. There are a lot of issues that I think are fairly universal experiences that most people have at some point, and one of them is feeling tired, fatigued and low energy. I think this is a way more common problem than most of us would like to admit. So in this video I've shared some of the most important things that you can do to ensure that you feel less tired throughout the day. Video number 8 is a bit of an embarrassing one, not because of the video's subject, but because of the video quality. Video number 8 is my Lucid Dreaming supplement review from May 2018. And if you take a look at that video, you'll probably notice that the production value is a lot better than most of my other videos. And that was sort of just a fluke. At the time I just experimented with doing a few things and the video turned out looking a lot better than my videos usually do. So check that one out if you're interested in learning about lucid dreaming supplements, and in particular Huperzine A based supplements like Lucidesk. As in this video I share my experiences and exactly how many lucid dreams I was having when I was taking it. Although assuming that you can actually read and that I haven't somehow messed up in editing, you can probably already see the answer to that on screen. But I recommend checking out that video anyway, since I do think it is one of my better made videos. Now before I share the 9th and final video with you guys, I want to remind you about the Lucid Dream book. The Lucid Dream book is my complete guide to lucid dreaming. Basically, it is everything that I learned from a decade of lucid dreaming put into one book so that you have a one-stop resource that you can go to for any lucid dreaming question that you have. This is kind of meant to be one of those desert island books that you could just take that, no other book, no other source of information, and with that you could successfully master lucid dreaming. On screen right now you can see a bit more about the book, and in particular some chapter outlines for what you'll find in each chapter of the book. Now if it sounds interesting to you and you want to check it out, you can go to gum.co/theluciddreambook. That's gum.co/theluciddreambook, or you can go to the link in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. If reading's not your thing and you much prefer the audio format, then I recommend checking out my beginner lucid dreaming crash course Advanced Lucidity, which you can also find a link for down in the description if you scroll down a little bit. The 9th and final video that I want to recommend you guys go back and watch is from April 2017, and it is called Course Correction, and it is about learning to adapt to change in your life. Now, as you might have been able to see from my videos that you've actually seen in this list, I've actually adopted this myself with my channel, and I found that, the algorithm changes over time and strategies that used to work stopped working and so on, and so I've had to learn and adapt. I've had to change up my thumbnail styles, I've had to change up my video styles and so on. I think one of the most important things that you can do to succeed at anything that you want to pursue in life is to learn how to adapt to change, because just doing the same thing is often just going to give you the same results. So if you're not getting where you want to be and you're not able to adapt, then you're never going to get there. This video got barely any views and it is one of my better videos, so I highly recommend that everyone on this channel goes and checks it out. For those of you who stuck around to the end, question of the day for you is how many of these 9 videos had you seen before? Had you seen all of them? None of them? Do you remember which ones you've seen? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in and watching. One thing I recommend you guys also do is check out the playlists on my channel, because then you can find a lot of my old videos that you might not have seen before. Anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, but also hit that bell icon and enable all notifications. If you want to keep watching right now, then check out one of those videos on screen, or go find one of those playlists, go watch one of those videos, and I will see you there soon. Take care.